Tērā ētahi I o koutou tiriti e kohi moni ana mo te rā mate ārai kore. I tērā tau I kitea te nui o te hunga oa o te aroa e mate ana I te mate nei. Hei tā te hunga tautoko me nui noa atu ngā akoranga e mōhioa I te rahi mo te mate nei. Anei a Hania Douglas.
Te mate ārai kore, he mate e horo ai ngā ārai hauora o te tinana. Ka mutu e aiki e nei mātanga te ahua nei kei te piki tōna kaha I Aotearoa.
New Zealand's rates are rising and the rest of the world is going down.
Koina te kaupapa nui o te rā, he ruirui ngā mōhiotanga mo te mate uru tānei me te kimi tautoko hoki.
It's been celebrated around the world since 1988 as a way for the world really to unite in the fight against HIV. It's for people living with HIV and think about how we move forward in a more useful direction.
So I think a lot of people in New Zealand don't see it as a problem, and I think a lot of people think it's gone away, and it certainly hasn't. Last year we had the highest number of recorded cases of HIV in New Zealand ever.
Hei tā ngā ringaringa me ngā waiwai o te kaupapa, kua wareware pēr a Aotearoa ki ngā huakino o tēnei mate.
We've forgotten about it. You know, in the 80s they had all these ads that had like death masks and everyone was really scared. The fear is gone because we've got medication.
I myself have been positive for 30 years now, and I would say that is totally down to the medications, and so there's a lifeline here and people don't need to die anymore from HIV.
He oi anō, kua whakatūhia ngā kaupapa pēnei I te taiopenga puawai he whakamātau I te iwi ki enei mate.
This is our third year and we've got bigger and much better, and it's really working. It's an amazing, exciting and exhilarating week.
I think the highlight is we get to move. You know, we actually get to shift and raise our voices. Hence why we put Puawai together, you know, to blossom, eh?
Engari e whakapono ana ngā māngai o tēnei kaupapa me kuhunga take hauora mate ārai kore ki ngā marautanga o te motu.
HIV and AIDS aren't talked about. They're not part of the school sexual health curriculum.
Personally, I think we need to get it to intermediate. We need to start talking about sex education, start talking about HIV and other STIs. And if we could do that, I think we will raise a generation that will be educated around it.
Tērā hoki te whakapono mā te mōhio, ka ora, Hania Douglas, Te Karere.